Lit snowflakes are a popular Christmas decoration for creating magical winter wonderland light displays. But storing them can be challenging. Until now, introducing the LED folding snowflake by Kringle Traditions, which uses an innovative design to display big and store small. The reinforced plastic frame assembles in seconds. To start, unfold the snowflake on a flat surface, making sure the external wires are pulled out of the way of the joints. Line up the clasps on the two open sections of the frame. Then pinch the frame together and press the tab on the clasp in and down until the clasp catches. Continue to do this around the snowflake, snapping the other clasps into place. Then turn your snowflake over and repeat this process on the other side. Your snowflake is now ready. To disassemble, simply squeeze each tab on the clasps with a slight pressure to release. Fold the snowflake back down to its original compact storage size. These snowflakes are outdoor rated. They feature fully rectified, cool-to-the-touch 5mm LED lights to eliminate flickering. And every snowflake comes with both a stackable male plug and a female plug, so you can easily connect multiple snowflakes together for larger displays. Lightweight and stunning, these lit snowflakes come in 20 and 36-inch sizes. They're available in cool white, warm white, or blue lights, and in twinkle versions. Place them along walls, in windows, or on roof surfaces, or hang them from porches or trees to create incredibly beautiful displays. You can even combine them with matching folding starlights in warm white or cool white for light displays that are simply dazzling. These folding LED snowflakes are sure to make your Christmas light and event displays amazing. Get yours today!